What's up, guys? Rithvik here. I know it's been long. I've had exams and they went well. So yeah, let's. Today I'm going to make a game in 1 week. Not today. It's going to be a whole process. I'm going to show you. So yeah, enjoy. If you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe. Only if you like it. Only if you like it. I'm not going to force you because who cares? I just want to show you my process. The experience I've had. So yeah, let's begin. Day one. I first needed an idea. An idea is the base thing, right? So I thought to make a top-down shooter because I never tried that genre. It's mostly 2D, but I thought to make a 3D one because I don't know how to make 2D games, right? So in the beginning, I thought to make a maze shooter because it sounded good. Maze, solving mazes, I like it. So I thought let's go with that. For a top-down shooter, I needed movement, top-down movement. The camera has to be above the player. It should show the whole player body. So I needed top-down movement and rotation. I hate the movement in games like League of Legends where the player goes where the mouse is there. You have to click where the player wants to go, and so I don't like it. So I kept the classic WSD movement and made the player rotate according to the mouse, which you're probably seeing on the screen. The player movement and rotation was successful. Done. I had some extra time, so I made the enemy movement as well. Nothing. Actually it's nothing. It's just basically the enemy following the player wherever the ground is and wherever the player is. That's day two. I made a basic enemy model and perfected its movement because I had some weird bugs. Man, I forgot to record those bugs. Stupid OBS. So anyways, I had done the enemy movement, so I went for the enemy attacking. It's a maze shooter, right? We need some attacking mechanism there. So my attacking system was zombie based. Okay, the player when the enemy when the enemy touches the player's health decrease. So what I did is added some collisions and triggers, so it functions like when the enemy is inside a collider, the thing that makes collisions, the player's health decreases by the specified attack points. And boom, that was literally it. Then I added a health bar, which is pretty simple, and a player health script. Done. Now the player is attacking, and I also added the system of death for the enemy. I just made all the health in one day, day two. So yeah, that was just for day two. Day three, I added the player shooting. I mean, I already made the bullet for the player, but I added the player shooting, and it was actually looking like a game. Added a base for the dash system which I was working on because the game was pretty empty, so I wanted a dash where the player could boom like Jet from Valorant. So I was working on a system for that, and I fixed the health bar, which yes, I was having some weird issues, very weird issues. I mean, the player was going through the enemy. Okay, I guess you saw it. So yeah, that's it for day two. Day three, yeah, that's it. So yeah, day four, I was fixing some bugs in the enemy health script, discarding. Well, this was the biggest thing. I discarded the whole maze idea, and I made a more dungeon sort of feeling. You discover and you kill. Added some post processing and done. It was looking beautiful. Like this day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, pretty short. Okay, because the first days are pretty hard, right? So yeah, continue. Day 5, I perfected the dash system with its respective UI, which took some time, but yeah, it's done. Day 5 was pretty boring, bro. I just improved some post processing, done. Very short, I know, right? Real short. Day 6 and day 7 were tragic because OBS wasn't working, and I don't know, I did click the record button, it didn't record. So I deleted it in rage. But yeah, in these 2 days, I added some more post processing, which basically, was enhancing a lot the whole game feel, and also had 2 levels which look the same. I mean, I didn't get time to change. Making that level was real hard. And by the way, I also created a main menu, which is the most important thing after the mechanics, but I forgot. But yeah, I did that. I also had a game over menu. When you die, when the enemy kills you, the game overs thing comes, so you can replay or quit. Everything was fine, and except one bug I could say, which bugged me a lot. So what happened is the player would climb over the enemy when the enemy is too close, which was really bugging me like shit. I couldn't play because of he climbs over him, the player will be floating and he can't attack nor die. He just can't proceed to the next level. It took me some time, 5 to 6 hours to get the solution, and implementing it took me nearly most the last day, most of the last day. But yeah, after doing that, I added a particle system for the player, making trails, wherever he walks. he makes trails. I know. See, it's boring, but I'm just telling you guys. So yeah, this is the full-fledged game, guys. Have fun. And by the way, I also had a statue where you go to the statue and stand near it, and it takes you to the next level. This is the main thing. How come I didn't say it? So yeah, this is the final product. Have fun looking at it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. This is it for the video. I know it may seem pretty long, but I cut short it a lot. Okay, so yeah, have fun. I even named the game. I just needed a random name for the player, so I named him Meg, and I named the game Meg as well. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you want to play the game, just hit me up in the comments. I'm gonna give you a download link. I don't think people would like to play my game. Or would they? So yeah, have fun. This is Rithvik signing off. And I know the music is really cringe. I can't make music. I mean, digital music. It takes a lot of time. So yeah, the music is really cringe. So yeah, okay, who cares? It's just a first game, okay? Thank you. Have fun. This is Rithvik signing off.